Hi everyone, hope you are doing great. As we have studied CAD file in the previous video, in this one we are going to make walls, HVAC and FP design. So let's start. Okay guys, actually before starting this video I want to add 2 points. Like in the previous video we didn't find this exhaust fan, right? Why? Because when I searched a little bit closely I found this here. Actually it is exhaust, means they are arranging these exhaust fans at the toilets on top of this lavatory. Maybe the sink and toilet, both lavatory, both blocks are one top of each other. That is why it is clumsy here, and we missed this icon. Actually, I found when I check the model. See, in the beginning it is very clear, but in this one over here it is a little bit got clumsy up. That is why we missed that part. And one more thing I want to add, we missed this one, like finishing layout. See, we missed this one, existing boundary glass wall, existing boundary. The nearby itself we have the same pattern. See, what I am thinking, this floor plan means this plan is not on ground floor or anything. Maybe it's like a first floor or something above the ground floor. This could be a window, glass window. Actually this is an office, means the number of floors will be there, out of which we got only the plan what we need to work out or what the client bought. I'm thinking like all this wall is going to be a big glass wall, I think. So that is why it is mentioned like existing boundary glass wall, means it's a boundary glass wall. I got this when I am planning for the walls and all. Suddenly hatch a little bit changed over here. That's why I thought maybe this could be the whatever the part we missed in the last video. I have already cleaned the entire unneeded objects, but still these are also not needed in SketchUp. Why? Because SketchUp even won't detect this portion. So we better delete the unnecessary hatches and unnecessary symbols and all. Even the dimensions also, the text want to be visible. I even clean the dimensions. Usually we don't need them, but before that make sure your units are in a proper state. For example, here it is a 200 mm. If I use the distance command, DI enter, from this line to from this line, it is like 16 feet 8 inches. Somewhere it is showing a lot more, 16 feet. So we better match the units. All are in mm, so that simply you can change the units. UN enter. Here it is showing architectural. Better go for decimal, and precision also 0 is enough. And this one is inches to millimeters. Simply select all these line and click OK. Now we check this again. DI enter. From this point to this point, see it's showing 200. So all dimensions are at proper state. Simply what I am going to do, I will clear even the dimensions. In this one we need to plan all the walls only, every wall, even the gypsum walls also. Even it is a gypsum wall, we can differentiate with the material, not with the shapes. So we can track all the shapes, so whatever the needed shapes over here, except the doors or internal furniture, everything I will clean each and everything. Then after we can simply export it to SketchUp. After cleaning all unnecessary items, this is like, this will look like this: a workstation for the reception, meeting room and offices, all 6 offices, and here are the toilets, and we need to place one lounge and a pantry, another lounge, a small waiting room here, and here is a smoking area, right? So I have cleaned all the text and even the hatch also. Maybe I left something. Simply delete everything. Okay, I think this is all cleaned up. So save the file. and open in SketchUp and import it over there. After opening the SketchUp file, first make sure your units are matches with the CAD file. So for that, go to Windows and Model Info. At the unit section, make sure you select the same over there, decimal and millimeters on area, whatever millimeters enough, and close it. And thereafter, go to Files, Import, and over here you need to select the file. This is the original file, and this is what we have put in the file. Select the file and click on Import. It will take time and it will automatically imports everything. Simply click on Close. Now it will open like this. If you look at here, maybe some lines are overlapped, I guess, or at some elevation distance. No need to bother, simply double click on it and select these two lines and delete. Now okay, right? Now it's flat and clean. So this is the plan. First, make sure after creating that, make sure you create a scene. Just if you lost the view, simply you will get back to it, right? That is why I always do this. I always clean a default scene over here. And at the material check, make sure check any in models there are any materials over here. If there, then simply click here, delete all. Maybe some materials comes with this one. We don't need those. That is why I just print those. Later on, make sure you save the file. File, save as. I will check on desktop. Use your own title. I will say walls and click save. Okay. After saving this one, now next you proceed with the developing the walls. We already know whatever it may be, like whether it is a CHB wall or a gypsum wall, you need to make the blocks, right? You need to make the walls as it. So rectangle objects like this I will create continuously. I will speed up the video for the time being. Guys, after push pulling everything, if you observe this reference, we need to construct this glass wall. So simply drag from here. I have tracked all the walls and here also all the walls I have tracked. This one actually wooden this one is a wooden decor piece at the reception, right? So that's not the glass, and here these parts are glasses, and this one and this one, this one and this one. So I have traced all glass wall partition. Simply select. I even track this window also. Over here we can place that window, that's why I have traced that one too. Simply like this way, select all, shift and select only except this one, move, just move it outside. I think this is everything, just clean it up. I think that's it, everything. So simply okay, this one too. Okay, after cleaning all this one, we need to push pull these objects up to this wall height, and we need to do this up to this window height. So for example, let's just say 2450 mm. Simply push pull 2450, enter, triple click, make it a group. This is a window. Next one, we need to push pull up to this wall height. In this one, what we need to consider, like all aluminum frames for the doors and all, we need to look for the aluminum frames. Like this one is a 3650 mm. Select all at a time, use this joint push pull command, click and drag. Next one, here we need to assign the height 3650, right? Enter. Okay, now we have tried each and everything. Select all these and make it a group. Now simply we need to place these at the position. So I will move like this. First of all, I will move this object over here at this position. If you compare from at the end of this block, so simply you can place over here. That's it. That's that. Next one, this one, move. I will move it to this position first of all. Then now we can move from with respect to this point. Over there we have this point. If you click it, see exactly at the position, but what happened, the height, simply move it in W direction. See, now it is at the perfect position. So till now what we have covered, we have done the glass walls, outer we need to select all and shift deselect this one and this one and make them as a group. We have the CHB walls and gypsum walls and the glass doors as well, but the thing is, oh, I think I missed something out here. This is actually for the door. Yeah, I missed that one. Misplaced this. Just remove that one. Okay, these are actually doors, right? So for that one, we need to again do the same thing. Whatever we did over here, we need to do the same thing. Simply with the push pull command as well. Here also doors, right? This is normal wall. This is just a wall. Here there is a door, and these three are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. 5 doors are there. So let's just do the same thing whatever we did there. Simply copy. M. Now here M. Before copying that, I will take this point to WC this point. With respect to this one, I have done this. Simply now push pull this one. So we have done the glass walls as well. Simply select everything just to clean up with the last settings. Okay. This one should okay. That's why you need to do this carefully. I just double click this. Maybe somewhere there will be little bit change between those two. What happened here? Some errors we may get like this. Simply select this. The JHS forward we have this option. Now you can simply reverse those faces. Now it's done. No. Which means there will be some error. Okay, these are not equal proportions, so simply push pull up to this face. Now it's okay, right? This one too. Oh, usually it will happen when you misplace. They may slightly misplacement also cause this kind of errors. Now you can erase those. By the way, it's a glass part, so you don't need to clean edge and everything. Maybe it will be a transparent one. So for the glass walls, we have done this. The frames, aluminum frames, we need to make. For that, simply double click this one, and I'm just hiding rest of the model. Okay. I have assigned a shortcut for it. You can assign this one like in the view component edit, hide rest of the model. I have assigned this shortcut for me. You can assign of your own. I already explained it in previous videos. If you didn't follow, simply go to Window, Preferences, and at the shortcuts. Simply, what do you want to do? If I want to like field of view, or what I want to do, let's like in the view, hide rest of the model, right? Hide the rest of the model. If you click here, already it is assigned, so it is showing like this. You can assign whatever you want and click here. If you add it, it will be added to here. So I don't want to change, so I will cancel. Simply you can assign of your you can specify different shortcut for of your requirement. Now what we need to do, we need to assign a aluminum panels. So okay, first of all, again I will select all and I will make them as a group, and see from here I'll see like there is a wall here. So from here we will be having one aluminum frame. So I will take, and an average I am taking this one. Want it to be more precise, like at 49, 80. Let's just say 50, 80. Later on we can change those. That's why I'm using like that.
place at the middle, push pull, Alt C, oh, Alt C again, place properly and up to this height. So this is look like a aluminum frame, and copy a 50 mm. 50 mm means almost 2 inches. Probably that will be on an average. So towards out like 10, now 15 mm on outward, and copy 80 in this direction. Means why? Because it's 80, that's why I'm used 80. So up to here there will be aluminum panel, and M control in this direction 50 P. Up to this end, and M control in this direction 50. Similarly it will okay. At the bottom we need to place only up to this edge, and outside 15 mm. What I am going to do, I am going to copy this face, M control, select it, green axis, you know how to do it, arrow mark, and up to this one, P in this direction 15 mm. Oh my, I'll see. Sometimes if your mouse is not at a proper position, you face this kind of errors, so you better get used to your mouse. After this one, and outside 15 mm. Next, same, copy this face, M control, and the green axis. After this, same process. I have made a frame all around this, and we need to make the frame at this middle portion also. So do the same thing. You already know how I made this aluminum frame. Similarly, we need to make these portions also, and all other areas. And for the doors, we don't making any aluminum frames, simply direct glass only. But at the edges, we need to make the hinges. So first of all, we need to make the aluminum frame for all the other portions as well. You already know how I created. Simply, I will cut the video so that we don't need to lose time. That's why. Okay, guys, I have created the frame. Each and everywhere I have created the same values as we made while this one. So just for identification, I have assigned this color. Later we can change the material. That's all. And now what we need to do, we need to make these doors. Especially on this side, we need to make the hinges. So I will do one thing. First of all, I will create with a rectangle on the red axis. You need to make up to here. By the way, select up to this edge and select this one, move using the upward arrow. I have covered this door pattern, and for the clearance we have given 15 mm, so simply select this, make it a component so that we can use over here, create, and this one use an offset 15 mm enter, and I'll see. Okay, even at the bottom also we need to leave some space, right? Simply 15 mm offset I have given, and erase all the outer edges. These both, I'm erasing both corners so that everything will be clear, and use push pull command. I'll see push pull inward 1 inch. We already know why 1 inch, which is exactly mentioned at the drawing itself, right? We have already seen that in previous video. Try to match these lengths. So I have already tracked this edge, so already it's exactly at the parallel to this one. Next one, we need to make the hinges. So double click it, triple click it, and make this one as a group, and later use tape measure and use again 50 mm, and from the bottom approximately we need to leave what around 1.5 to 2 feet 1.5, so 457 mm. Top of direction 457, and here also from the top 457, and later on we need to make 2 hinges. So each hinge is 50 mm in this direction and this direction, and the length of the hinge is around 7 inches. So let's just say go to inches and take, I'm taking 9 inches. It's a big one. So why? Because we are using only 2 hinges, so I'm using 9 inches, makes 228. In this direction 228.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
That's it, guys. This is done. Simply copy the same doors at all places, here, and we will make another door over here. So simply I will cut the video and I will copy all the doors. Okay guys, I have copied everything, but while copying I have noticed one mistake we have done. That is, after making 1 inch door, it is coming out. Probably why? Because these hinges will be parallel to these walls. These are also glass doors, right? So it would be parallel to this direction, not in this way. So simply I will edit one component, so everything will be edited. Simply I will do and double click this and this one. Okay, I will remove this. There it is. This is 50 mm, right? Again, I'll see M and 15 mm again. I'll see, and in these I will delete them, and I'll see I will copy over here, select these two at a time and move, and including this one too, select the door as well. If you move this door, it will move accordingly, right? I have copied in such a way. M in red axis, select on this place. See, now it is matching. Things now it is fine. Probably you can do one more thing. I'll see what at the up. I mean, at the bottom of the door, we will place like a stopper, so like a rubber stopper. So for that, simply I will take a rectangle, and size would be 150, 400. Is it big? Okay, yeah, it's looking very big. So I will decrease this 150 to like 50, only 100, and is 400 to 200. Yeah, not bad. Push pull 5 mm and make it a group. I'll see. Oh, while editing this one, up to this end, an extra 5 mm, and this direction. Oh, it is already blocking here. Oh, not bad. Okay, up to this, not bad. Everything is okay. We can apply aluminium material over here. Okay, everything is up to here is clear. We have made the glass walls under the aluminum framing and the doors. We have placed each and everywhere the doors, and except these. So what I am thinking right now, these doors are not pretty much important. Why? When we are making reception over here, we are going to render in this direction, so necessary. So I'm just neglecting that. If we are taking this way, then it would be important. So either I'm going to take a render like this, or even, by the way, if you are taking in this direction, those wait, see, I need to take a render like this. This wall is already obstructing my view, so in any way I am going to remove this wall. Removing means, so while rendering I will just simply hide this wall. Select this and hide H like this. I will take the render, I will take the render like this. We are going to place the reception and wall decor, everything, and this one this way. So Alt H. For unhide, I have made that shortcut. Okay, so I'm not going to make that. By the way, we need the flooring. Simply how you can make the floor. R. I'm just covering like this. Right. Why rectangle? Why? Because no need to track each and everything, but we will track internal part. So push pull 6 inches. Why? Anyway, we are taking only internal, not the external. So again, we don't need this one, so make the group M control. Similar way, this box I am going to use it for flooring. We can make the flooring on here, right? We will track wherever the needed one, we will apply the required material. So, and hide. I'm just hiding. So if you select view, all unhidden objects will be present. So what I'm going to do, I will just hide. I will position my view like this, and I will create new scene. we can interchange between those scenes, right? For this video, we need to finalize with the HVAC design, right? Okay, so if you observe the CAD file again, here they have mentioned a duct. We'll go to ceiling layout, so this is a little bit confusing. So if you go to this layout, the blue color lines here, whatever the blue color lines, these ducts are HVAC or central air conditioning unit, and they use this kind of FCU units. And also this red color spots, this one, these are what we call fire safety, means these are sprinklers. So for that we need some dimensioning and all. First of all, we need to import the same drawing to the SketchUp. Actually they have sent me separate CAD file for this HVAC design. Open the SketchUp and same file, import, select the HVAC file and click on import. Now on this one, this showing us, just click on close. This is our required CAD file. Whole arrangement will be at this area. Why? Because this is open ceiling. So the pipeline for the sprinkler, the pipe is coming from this direction, from here, and over there it is divided like this, and all the way around it is spreading the water. So at these locations we have sprinkler walls, and if you go here, this is the HVAC system. We didn't get the text. So these are ducts, actually 1, 2, 3, total 3 supplying units are there, and these are all ducts, the circular pipes. If you want to dimension, we need to check on this one, 500 mm, this one main, this one 4, and this one 250, and these are ducts. Okay, 250. So actually it is a DX FCU. DX means direct expansion, FCU means fan coil unit. This is 1, and over here this is 2, and this is 3. Total 3 units are there, and which will supply the whole, which will supply air to whole area. So for the reference, just for reference, I have downloaded FCU units. You can check on here. These are like a central air conditioning systems, radiators and all. So from this one, either from top or bottom or on the back, there will be a supply unit pump will be there. This is a unit from which air supply will be passed through those ducts. Okay, here air will be filtered, and here air will be conditioned, and it will send through these pipelines. This is the diffuser. From supplied here, air will be supplied all over the room. So this is a smaller unit. These are like a 5-tier units. So to cover entire this area, they have assigned 3 units. Anyway, we can make by referencing these images, we can make approximate sizes, and also we have the sizes there. First of all, we will start from here. If we make 1, we can copy over there too. For the time being, I will speed up the video. I use simple commands. Okay, if you observe here, everything FP design also completed. Now what we need to do, first of all select all and make sure you didn't select this plan, and right click and make it a group, and similarly this all separate one, so select all and make it a group. Now select these two models. First of all, we need to make sure we are matching with the plan. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to make these at the same place. So simply first of all I will select this one move at this endpoint to this endpoint. So if you observe here, these pipelines are intersecting with each other actually. So what I'm going to do, I will try to move a little bit up somewhere like just observe where intersection is not taking place. Okay, first of all I will do 500 mm. If it is too high, try to decrease 250. Let's make sure everything is not intersecting with each other and everything is properly placed. I think we can decrease further more even, like 100. Let's just say 100. Is it okay with 100? Here, yeah, here not intersecting. Here also not. Okay, just nearby. Okay, I think this side would be perfect. Later on, I think we should make these two again a group so that we can move very easily. Now we need to save it first. If you didn't, all of a sudden if the power goes off, you may get into trouble. You need to make all things again and again. So my tip is you make sure you save the file each and every time if you've done anything special. Okay, and right now what I'm going to do, I need to match up with this point, right? Or this point also, anything. Okay, I will take this endpoint and from here to here, this is the point where we need to match up, right? That's it. This is how it's going to be now. Actually we have made it at on the ground. From the floor level, we already seen in the AutoCAD file, this is 3000 mm, right? In W direction 3000, enter. Okay, now move it. Sorry, red axis. Okay. We can also match this point. So simply M, simply same point. We need to match up right. Sorry, right color axis, this one. Even at the bottom also same point, right? Click it here. So right from the wall it is maybe actually the floor level it should be little high. Actually till now till here it is like what 12 feet. Okay, I will do one thing. I will just lift it bit down. What 125 means this blue color lines bounding box is below the ceiling level, so good enough. Probably little bit an approximation I'm here making, so no problem at all. H, if you want to move, look at from inside. What we need to do, we need to zoom Z and type 55 field of view. So from inside it will look like this. Now you understand what is open ceiling and all, right? So this is HVAC. Now it is completed. FP pipelines and AC lines. We don't while material we can give the black color and all, so no problem at all. I think till now everything is completed. Okay, and one more thing what we need to I think we will make this file, we will close for this video. Next one, we need to go with interiors. So for that we need to make this workstation. We already discussed in the previous video how many renders and how many videos we are going to make, right? So at each section we will make separate requirements. While making the reception, we can make the ceiling and all at this location. This each and every office we have different ceiling designs there. So
probably we are taking the workstation. We're going to take the render. Oh my. Okay, we are going to render it in from this point of view, so we don't need to make a reception over here. So I think, or like this also, this could be this could take more area to cover. Like this way, this could be right. So I will make a scene, add scene, and I will say this way. Okay. And from next video onwards, we will make the interiors. First of all, we will start with the workstation. Okay. Thank you for watching. Take care.